Hello students. Today we are going to learn a new GK lesson. As I have taught you 4 lessons, today I am teaching you the 5th one. The name of the lesson is Make New Words, page number 12. Here we have the first one. Combine these words and pictures to write a new words. So here we have first one is strawberry. So both of them we combine, it becomes strawberry, a fruit. Strawberry is a fruit. So when we combine straw and berry, it becomes strawberry. Then we have the second one, basket. This is basket. When we add ball, basketball. Then we have the third one, butterfly. Butter and fly together, butterfly. Then we have the fourth one, palm plus hand plus palm, hand palm. So this is hand palm, where with the hand we press and water comes out from this tap. So it is hand palm. Then we have the fifth one, rainbow. So when we combine together rain and bow, then it becomes rainbow, rainbow. Then we have the sixth one, money and plant. When money and plant get together, combined word becomes money plant. So this money plants we have in our house, it is a creeper. It goes up from the wall or window. So manyhow people grow this money plant. So when we add money and plant, the word becomes money plant. Then we have car and pet, carpet. So here we have carpet. So carpet. So here carpet is where we put on the floor in the house. Then we have the eighth one, bedroom. So when we add together bed and room, it becomes bedroom, where we sleep. So bedroom. Then we go to the other lesson, Indian heritage. These are some famous monuments of India. Recognize them with the help of their pictures. Here we have the gate, India Gate. Here we have a India Gate. So you have to fill up the blanks. So here I have done one. So D-I-A, I and D-I-A, India Gate. Originally called the All India War Memorial, is a war memorial located at Rajpath, New Delhi, formerly called Kingsway. So we have here Taj Mahal. So the Taj, Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal. So we have the Taj Mahal, meaning crown of the palace, is an ivory white marble mausoleum on the bank of river Yamuna in Agra. So this is Taj Mahal. It is in Agra. The third one, the Qutub Minar, also spelled as Qutub Minar or Qutub Minar, is the tallest minaret in the world, made up of bricks in the Mehrauli area of Delhi. So here we have India Gate, Taj Mahal and Qutub Minar. Here we have the third one. In the modern politics, a parliament is a legislative body of union government. The Sansad Bhavan, English Parliament House, is the House of the Parliament of India, which contains the Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha, located in New Delhi. Here we have the Parliament, where all the ministers meet here and have their meetings, Lok Sabha as well as Rajya Sabha. Here we have the fifth one, Hawa Mahal. English translation, Palace of Winds or Palace of Breeze, is a place in Jaipur, India. It is constructed of red and pink sandstone. So this is called Hawa Mahal. In English it is called Palace of Winds or Palace of Breeze, Hawa ka Mahal. Then we have Red Fort. Red Fort is a historical fort in the city of Delhi in India. It was the main residence of the emperors of the Mughal dynasty for nearly 200 years until 1856. It is located in the center of Delhi and the houses a number of museums. Here we have Red Fort. Then we have the seventh one, the Golden Temple. The Golden Temple, also known as Sri Harmandir Sahib, abode of God, a Darbar Sahib, is a Gurudwara located in the city of Amritsar, Punjab, India. It is the holiest Gurudwara and the most important pilgrimage site of Sikhism. So this is a golden temple. So this is the golden temple in Amritsar, where Sikh people come here for pilgrimage, or also other people come to see this place. This whole thing is made of gold. So it is in Amritsar, Punjab, India. Now let us learn about another lesson, A. Page number 16. Write true in the box for true facts, F for the false statement. So you have to write T for true and F for false. Whatever statement is given about the air. So first one, all living things needs oxygen. So it is true. All living things breathe in air. So true. The earth is covered with a blanket of air called atmosphere. So it is true. We cannot see air. True. We cannot see air. We can live without air. It is false. We cannot live without air. Everyone need air. If we don't breathe, we will die if there is no air. So 6.1, pure air has no smell. True. The air we breathe, it goes to our lungs. True. Air does not have any shape. True. Moving air is called wind. True. Air is made up of many gases. One of them is oxygen. True. Air is a mixture of colorless gas. True. We cannot eat air. False. So 12th one, we can eat air. False. 5th one, air is always cool. False. Air can be warm, hot air. So we need air to live. True. Air cannot be seen. True. Then we go to the spice is nice. Given below are the images of some spices commonly used. Identify the parts of the plants these spices come from using the words given in the clue box. Here we have fruit, seed, leaf. So here we have curry leaves, curry patta. So here it is leaf. So we have to write leaf. Here we have, these are fruits. So we have to write fruits. These are pepper, fruits. Here we have mustard seeds. So these are seeds. So here we have pepper. Pepper is a creeper. For that creeper, the fruit comes, and in that fruit is pepper. Here we have seeds. Mustard seeds. Inside is a seed. So leaf curry patta is leaf, pepper is fruit, and mustard seed is seed. Match the names of the spices to their pictures. First we have, what is this? This is cinnamon. So dalchini. So we have to match them. Dalchini. Understood? Then we have the second one. Second one is saffron, kesar. Here. Then we have the third one, elaichi, cardamom. Then we have the fourth one. Fourth one is what? Cumin seed. We also call it jeera, saunf. Jeera, and also we call cumin seed. Then we have fifth one. Fifth one is what? Turmeric powder. We also call it haldi. Then we have the sixth one, chili, mirchi. So this will go here. So we have here cinnamon, dalchini, then we have saffron, kesar, third one we have elaichi, cardamom, fourth one we have cumin, saunf, we also call jeera, then we have turmeric powder, we also call haldi, for that in Hindi haldi, in English turmeric. Then we have the sixth one, mirchi, yeah, chili powder. Now we have page number 18, flowers, nature's gift. Identify the different flowers with the help of pictures and write the alphabet corresponding to their names from the clue box. So here we have, so here we have a box and there are alphabets A, B, C. So only we have to write alphabet in this box, what it is. So here we have first one, jasmine. It smells very nice. So jasmine is in white color. So you have to write, it is in F. You have to write F. Then we have rose. Roses of different colors, yellow, red, orange, white. So rose, roses here, D. D. Then we have lotus. Lotus grow in the water. So we have pink lotus, white lotus also. There are some purple lotus also. So we have here A. Then we have here marigold. We have marigold. So here E, marigold. Then we have sunflower. This is sunflower. So G. Then we have here, what we have here? We have lily. We have here lily. So lily is here. Lily can be white, yellow. This is red. Also we have pink color, red, white lilies. So C. Then we have here tulips. We have tulips. So it is H. Then we have dahlia. This is dahlia. So it is B. So let us read. Jasmine, rose, lotus, marigold, sunflower, lily, tulips, dahlia. Some flowers are used as spices, as cloves. So these are also flowers, but they are as spices where we use for masala, garam masala and all. When we use this cloves. Then we have sunflower buds are eaten as vegetables. So here we have broccoli and cauliflower. They are small buds. So they are broccoli. This is broccoli and this is cauliflower. Broccoli, cauliflower. Life under water, page number 20. Identify the pictures of some aquatic animals with the help of clue box. So here we have dolphin, crocodile, starfish, shark, tortoise, octopus, seahorse and jellyfish. Here we have crocodile. So R O-I-L, crocodile. Then we have shark. So crocodile is a reptile that lives mostly in large tropical rivers. Then we have a shark. There are over 400 species of shark. 400 different types of sharks are shark. Then we have dolphin. So D-O-L-P-H-I-N. Dolphin has 2 stomachs. Dolphin has 2 stomachs. Then we have fourth one, starfish. T-S. Starfish. Starfish has no brain, no blood. So it has no brain and blood. So here we have seahorse. Seahorse. So seahorse has no teeth and no stomach. Seahorse has no teeth and no stomach. Then we have the giant tortoise. O-R-O-S. The giant tortoise can grow up to 5 feet in length. This is a giant tortoise. Then we have here jellyfish. J-L-L-Y-I. Jellyfish. Jellyfish do not have a brain or central nervous system. Then we have the 8th one, octopus. So C-O-U-S. An octopus has 3 hearts. Here we have, if we cut a starfish into pieces, its parts will join again. Then we have the whales sings to each other. They can hear each other's song to distant about 80 kilometers. So the whales, they sing and call the other whales also. So the whales sing to each other. They can hear each other's song to distant of about 80 kilometers. So students, I have taught you the new lesson of GK, make new words, then Indian heritage, then air, then spice is nice, then flowers nature's gift, then life under water. You have to write these exercises on your GK textbook. I will send this explanation on YouTube and also on your WhatsApp. So students, go through this lesson and complete your exercises and watch this lesson on the YouTube and complete your exercises. Study well and stay safe. Bye.